Today, I'm showing you how to create 3 cute simple hairstyles in ibisPaint, even if you're still learning how to draw. We'll go through each hairstyle step by step, from creating the base and then shaping the hair and trying my best to explain everything. And if you've watched my older tutorials, hi! I'm finally back. So to start, you would want your reference, a new layer. I used this brush. Take your time with the base. I feel like you kind of need some time to map it out when you start drawing it. I'm not sure how to articulate what I'm doing with my brush strokes, but just try to follow along. I used an eraser for the middle part because I wanted a cleaner look before going on and drawing the rest of the hair. Here I was trying to figure out which direction I wanted to use with the brush to create that layered look in the reference, which I fixed a little more later down in the tutorial. So right now I am using an airbrush to remove any unwanted parts in the hair, and then going back and just modifying and making it look more exactly how I would like it to look. Then I was cleaning up the hairline a little bit. This part I'm closely showing how I'm taking my time curving the ends of this part of the hair. You can also use a liquify tool and make a nicer curve if you just cannot do it with the brush. Make a new layer, use a lighter tone. So with black hair, I like to use a variation of gray tones and add details to the hair that way. After this, I went in with the edges. Honestly, I use the liquify tool a lot. In this tutorial, it's literally your best friend. It can do whatever you want it to do. I used an eraser to remove a little bit of the edges, and then I smudged it out just to make it more smooth. I don't know, it's a style thing, it's a preference, you don't have to do it. And yeah, and then that's it for this hairstyle. Here I used my own hair base from my Etsy shop. I did get a little bit lazy trying to create my own base. As you can see, it did help quicken the process. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but I am still getting back into drawing like this. I genuinely miss it. I really do so much, and I'm just glad I'm here again making videos for you guys. fix up some areas I didn't like, and then just it's the same steps every time. Here I'm using the same hairbrush I used in the last hairstyle to add these details. I just turned the size down of this brush. Let me know if this was pretty straightforward to follow along. I did want to make it as simple as possible, so I would like to know how this tutorial was for you. And then add your highlights. Then here I drew the base myself because it was pretty straightforward. The reference that I was following, as you can see, the curls were really in her face a lot, so I didn't have to like do the front of the face too much. I smudged out some parts. I didn't even have to do all of that on the side. I cleaned it up with an eraser. And then I started the same way, create the shape. Just continue creating the shape here. As I go along, I use the liquify tool to create that curly shape as much as I could. This part you kind of do need to take your time on to create the curly patterns. You really do need to look at your reference a lot and just try your best. Like, I definitely do need a lot more practice. Like I said, it's been a while. Don't judge me too much, please. But I really do think this is the most straightforward way you can have like a nice polished hairstyle in your drawings. Like, I will make another video how to do this with a colored hairstyle, because with colored hair you do need to go more in detail. It's the same method I would use. Like right now I'm creating the pattern and then I'm using an eraser to create that illusion, that hair texture illusion. So with colored hair you kind of need to go back in with like a different color to add onto it and create that realism, build it over like that, which I will show in another video. It's just easier to do it this way with black hair. And yeah, and you're done. I didn't add highlights, but you can. And this is the final look. Wow. If you like this video, please like and subscribe if you want to see more. I will be posting once a week, so let me know down in the comments what you would like to see more on my channel. See you in the next video.